चल रहे बॉम्बे टाइम फैशन वीक में हर साल की तरह इस साल भी सितारों ने रैंप वॉक कर अपना जलवा बिखेरा। इस बार रैंप पर वॉक करने वाले में शुमार थे रकुल प्रीत, अरबाज खान, हेलन और तमाम बॉलीवुड सितारे।
As the genius of China.
So they're family and always ready to support a cause. We've raised money for Cancer Patients Aid Association through the collection as well as through some private donors. And of course, every time glamour having a purpose, the Khans never say no. So I'm glad that we had 35 women achievers from varied walks of life, and of course Arbaz and Helen Auntie, to not just be so-called typical showstoppers, but the love of Mumbai.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is a great special occasion, and for an occasion like this, to have Helen Auntie with me was wonderful. Shaina, like she said, is a dear friend, a family friend, and when her request or just asking me came that would you be there for the show, and I was like 100% I'll be there. It's for a great cause, and she's managed to raise such funds also, which will really help, and congratulations on that, and all the people who've come forward and done this. So it was a great show, enjoyed being part of it, and extremely proud of Shaina and all the work that she's been doing. That's right. Yeah, so she's full of life. Even now, she's like full of energy. So often I was asking her backstage, do you want to sit? Are you tired? And she said, no, I'm absolutely fine. Right now also she's, giving out some interviews and all that. So she's quite excited. And I think this cause also is something that makes her feel like she wants to be there and, talk and make her presence felt. And it's lovely, yeah. So she's got her energy. Yeah. I don't obviously dress up unless it's an occasion. I'm a very casual dresser and conventional dresser. But when it's an occasion like this, then I like to be dressed, and yeah. So I think, I don't know, I'm getting some nice compliments, so I'm fine.
Yes, I was really truly having a blast, and that I think was visible on the ramp, because I've been telling her very rarely do you find such elaborate outfits which are comfortable, which are easy to wear, which are so light, which I've been very happy about. And I love the collection. I think it's so feminine, it's so young, it's so elegant, delicate, and lets you be in your own element. So that's what I was doing. I haven't, that's a far shot, but I don't know, but I think I'll definitely choose something comfortable. So right now, there are a couple of films. I have, to begin with, Attack releasing in January, and then there's Mayday with Ajay Sir, which will be coming, and Amit Ji, which will be coming out in April as of now. I've finished shooting for Dr. G. I've finished shooting for a film with Akshay Sir, and I am shooting for Thank God with Siddharth right now, and then I'm starting 2 films after that. So it's a very, very exciting phase. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि मैंने अपने सब दोस्तों को बोल दिया कि मैं हर पिक्चर थिएटर में देखने वाली हूँ, हर पिक्चर, और फर्स्ट डे देखने वाली हूँ. Whenever I'm in Bombay, if I'm not shooting, or even if I am, I'm going to catch the last show, because me as a cinema lover, I feel I've been deprived of the cinematic experience. So I am definitely going to watch every film. I think सबसे पहले Attack आएगी. Yeah. Anything else, guys? Okay, that's, yeah. I was like, guys.
जी मेरा कलेक्शन ऑलवेज विमेन से रिलेटेड होता है. I've always been very inspired by women. ये कलेक्शन का नाम है जूलियट. So it's all about femininity. It's all about the millennium brides to be. The women of today who want to stand out and shine and inhibited to just be out there and be themselves and dress like themselves. So something like this It's a very soft, feminine outfit. Looks heavy and glamorous, but it's very light.
But it's
so
not.
It's not. So it's for you to have fun, have a blast on your special days of your functions. Yeah, that's what Juliet is all about: sensuality, femininity, and there you get to see my Juliet. She's finally unveiled today. जी जी
जी नहीं।
आई मीन हम लोग ने जो फर्स्ट मेरी जब मैंने कलेक्शन डिसाइड किया था, द फर्स्ट पर्सन दैट केम टू माई माइंड वाज रकुल, द फर्स्ट पर्सन, एंड शी एक्चुअली मेड इट हैपन. सो इट वाज sort of a feeling कि ये कलेक्शन इनके लिए ही बना है, without her knowing. She didn't know what she's going to wear till yesterday. But
yeah,
it
I
just,
didn't know. I met her last evening
Yeah.
after shoot, and in fact it so happened, she said, Rakul, you know, I've only thought of you. I said, I've known her before, and I said, babe, I'm so sorry, but I'm shooting, I'll not be able to make it. And then the universe just made it
Yes,
happen.
it
So I
just-
guess when there's a will, there's a way.
And we just made it happen, and I think she's rocked the outfit to another level, and I'm so happy.
I think show की सबसे खास बात has to be Sonakshi Raj herself, because you know she is so gorgeous inside and out, and her clothes are so gorgeous, and बहुत ही amazing, magical, feminine line है, and I love the collection that's called Juliet. I love the name absolutely, and we've known her for such a long time, and I think her style and her sense of fashion resonates with us. We also really like those kind of clothes, and we wear her outfits so often. Today also we're wearing her clothes, and I love what she's wearing, and I love what I'm wearing. So. And we absolutely love how versatile she is. You know, she does Western, Indian, and Indo-Western so well. So just big shout out to her. Weddings? We actually attend a lot of weddings, and we also perform on a lot of weddings. So every time we're performing, जब भी हमारा concert होता है, even at a wedding, we look forward to wearing something Indo-Western, and I think Sonakshi does that really well. But I think our preference would be something super comfortable, something super light and dainty and pretty.